Drones are going to end up being more and more crucial to society in the future. They're very interesting pieces of technology which can provide a lot of useful services. But what are some uses of drones? How will drone technology affect the environment? And can we rely on artificially intelligent drones to do tasks like deliver our precious packages? Well then, enough of this never-ending intro. Let's take a deep dive into the world of drones. Now, for anyone out there who thinks drones are just silly little photography toys, you're mistaken. A drone can be defined as any unmanned aircraft that's maneuvered by remote control or computers. They've been used by the military for tracking enemies and mapping out large areas of terrain. In 2021 and beyond, drone technology can have many uses. One of the things about drones is that they'll be used as delivery devices. The thing with delivery drones is that it'll reduce traffic on roads, reduce pollution since drones are electric, and it will reduce delivery time because you can't have a traffic jam in the sky. There's also a matter that the package may not take days but just a few hours to arrive at your door. This is because with drones, they aren't going to be like trucks, handling multiple packages at once and having to make stops at multiple stops at once. Instead, they will be coming directly to you and then moving on with the next customer. The only thing is, landing a drone in an unknown environment can be difficult. There's also the fact that people may try to steal the delivery drone. Now, another very unique and interesting way to use drones is for law enforcement. Some obvious ways drones can be used for law enforcement is to locate suspects, map a city, and take a look at traffic accidents from a distance. One of the lesser known ways drones can be used in law enforcement is through event management. If there's a large gathering of people and they want to know what's going on, they can have a bird's eye view with a drone without getting involved in any potential mishaps. There's also used for disaster relief. If a tornado or hurricane came in causing mass damage, drones could be used to locate survivors and identify hazards. The third popular way drones could be used is for agriculture. Now this surprised me, but the more you think about it, the more it makes sense. The AI in drones can be programmed to map out fields and allow farmers to determine which area is too dry or which area is ready for harvesting. They could also be programmed to drop seeds into the soil, and since they're faster and automated, they can do this job quickly with more efficiency. Not only could they plant the seeds, but also provide fertilizer and water as well. Farmers will also be saving money and time because they wouldn't have to pay for fuel for a tractor or have to manually check the fields for any issues with their crops. In the long run, the use of drones in farming and agriculture can become more efficient and even financially beneficial to the farmers. Those were just a few simple ideas of how drones could be used. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to share the video with your friends and family as well, and check out my other videos if you like educational content. Have a fantastic day, everyone.